We are here today with the most preeminent skateboard team in history, Justin Daniels and Uzi Walker and Manuel Mowgli Herrera. And we got Ookie! You guys know what this is?
Nope.
How do you not know what this is? Have you ever been on Instagram?
Is this the guy on the bridge that the lady asked him, or she says hi? He goes, okay.
What world do you live in?
You know what I'm talking about?
I told them it's a skateboard.
What? No!
What do you mean no?
Why is the tail where you put the handles?
Hold on, this is a training skateboard. Can we get the directions?
And you were putting it in the wrong way, man.
What in the world?
Am I good?
What the heck? This is so interesting.
Hit me with those directions, Justin Daniels. Ow, that hurt.
Step 1. Insert the children's handle pull. Which one is that?
Sorry.
A good part of this will be if we can figure out how to put it together.
Supposed to make a click.
Oh, yes. Oh, my gosh.
Because see?
No.
Wait, what are the handlebars for?
No.
Yeah. Okay, now JD, you get on there.
Oh!
And hold on to the handle. Hold on.
No, just hold on.
Oh! Okay, that's actually sick.
For little kids.
That's actually kind of sick.
It's a beginner skateboard.
This thing is pretty cool.
It's cool, right? Imagine you have like a 4-year-old.
No.
Oh, wait, do we have any 4-year-olds here?
No, but you have
Uzi,
me.
get on. Just kidding.
Make him hit a manual.
Okay, that's what I was saying. We could do lots of tricks on this. Vert ramp?
Hey, that's how
How was it though? Don't lie.
I don't think it helps.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. What is going on? Whoa, yes, yes. JD, you should have sent it.
Anyway, send me up the little ramp.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You got the helmet on? Yeah. Knee pads, elbow pads?
Nope.
Leave it in the comments below if I should have a baby. I'll tell my wife.
What about the one stair?
Yeah, let's hit the one stair.
All right, take me up the bank.
Oh! I need the energy, JD.
Okay, wait, hold up. Usually the experiment makes me more inclined to make someone do a trick, but that did not look good.
It didn't?
No.
You gotta like lift.
I gotta lift.
Straight nose dive.
Somebody blame that on me.
You gotta lift
like
up.
that.
Me?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna push down.
Oh, that was better.
That's better?
Yeah.
Now that would work down the 3 stair for sure.
Okay.
I think I know how to use that, but I want to wait to see how he's going to use it.
Oh, I should have landed that.
Yeah, that's scary, bro.
Why?
I don't know why.
Well, we get up here.
I want to take JD's, you know, he already attempted it.
Wow.
You ready? Do a shove it. I think it can always shove it, right? I'm so scared. I just feel like the handlebars are just gonna whack me
Well,
right
you know,
in.
yeah. You know the irony of this video is that about 5 minutes ago you asked if you should have kids, and this board is to prevent that from happening.
If I get hit and the nuts right here, I will never have children. There we go. Sorry, my beautiful wife.
Oh.
I think it's impossible.
Oh.
What's wrong?
I don't know. It's like the weight of the handle and the momentum kind of makes it flip a little bit.
$5 right here. I've been waiting for this moment. I need that 5. I'm gonna go to Burger King. I'm okay. I'm okay.
I actually have $42 in my Venmo that I haven't put in back into my bank. So if you want that 42 plus the 5, we'll do it right here.
$47 shove it. Just give me $1.
As his manager, that is a terrible deal. You should not make.
Yeah, I mean, hey, money that's in your Venmo account and
No,
in
it counts.
your wallet, like physical cash, that's free money.
It's almost like it's not even there.
Exactly.
No.
It's like
this
that's
is-
money you can do
this is
whatever you
wrong.
want with.
This is 100%.
And it doesn't matter.
Not correct.
You think he's gonna land it?
Yes.
No,
I don't think
no,
he's
no.
gonna land it.
I don't think Aaron's gonna land at this
Me-
try either.
You guys
Yeah.
are.
I figured out why. It's because of this.
Yeah. Now you guys are doubting him. Now he's really gonna lose.
Oh, you think I won't land it?
He's definitely not landing at this try.
Angle cruise
I'm trying
right
to
now.
tell you. Now's your chance to back out.
He's definitely not landing it. You know what? You know what? I'm so confident you won't land it. I'll put 20 more on it.
$67 shove it.
Yeah, you're not landing it. There's no way. There's no way.
I'll collect my 67 now. Please and thank you.
Manager! What are you doing?
He didn't stop. I tried stopping him so strongly when he was going for a varial. He wasn't persuasive. He was too calm. He was like, "Hey, don't do it. Don't
See,
do it."
sometimes we need some energy, Dan.
I told him straight up, do not do it.
All right, here we go.
You're not letting
5-0.
go, right?
What?
Hold up. No,
Hey,
we're gonna start all
this
the way.
can't be rail.
Hey, I sent the money. I'm a man of my word. 45 out of my way. Done.
You're a good man. I didn't send mine yet.
He'll make a wager until he wins it back.
Hey, that's smart though.
What? Aaron!
One job.
Why did you do that?
I was going
No,
good.
He did what he had to do. You held him up on the end. It's
Did
like,
I?
Yeah.
Did I stop you?
This is actually a really good way to learn how to skate rails, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, try it.
You're not allowed to do that. Uzi, get on here.
No, no,
Push me fast.
no. Anyone but Uzi. Wait, what are you doing?
No!
The future of skateboarding is a
Oh no!
Okay, 50-50.
No, this is a bad idea.
Yeah, very.
No, we both were 50 earlier. What's that noise?
Listen to me. One day when JD wins the Olympic medal, he's gonna look back. He's like, "Thank goodness for them trying to make me do this because I stayed away from the streets and I stayed on vert."
I mean, but yeah.
Okay, point well taken.
You do cross or not?
Again, Uzi! You're holding him up! You gotta yeet him
All right,
off!
one more. We got.
See, that's exactly what you did.
Is that what I
That is
did?
exactly what you
Just
did.
slap me.
Really?
I'm blaming that on Justin Daniels.
Wow!
I told you. Leave it in the comments below if you have kids and if you would teach your kids how to skateboard on this thing. I think it actually works quite well.
It's so
That was the gnarliest fall in Braille history.
Yeah. That was Maddie.
What
the heck? Hey, we made history here.
You were right. We are cooking up some ideas on this.
I
Aaron.
told you, it's cool.
That way-
Yeah, you're good.
I have a request for you and JD, Aaron.
What?
He's on it, and then you do rock to fakie.
Easy. You ready, Justin?
Yep.
I got this text this morning from Uzi. Said, "Hey, I just got your Christmas message. Sorry for the late
No
reply."
way. No, are you serious? No. What the?
Every part of me just wanted to grab the board and slam it. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, next try.
Do I need to pull back harder?
A little bit, yeah.
Squad goals.
Woo! Let's go. That's
Most
why we have
anticlimactic trick in Braille.
Teamwork makes the dream work. 2 teams of Dumb and Dumber right now.
We're dumb and they're dumber.
Yeah.
We gotta make this work
You're
somehow.
saying we're dumber? Look at that.
That is the single most genius thing I've ever seen in my life.
It even says up. The arrow's pointing up.
Clearly.
Okay, person that wants to push me is gonna do this.
Okay.
Uzi.
I'm gonna start shifting here.
Okay.
Bam! Tell me that's not possible. It's possible.
Part of me wants to be the one that pushes you on this, but
All right, well.
no, it's all good though. I just want to shake your hand, brother. It was really nice knowing you.
Thank you.
You're a great friend and a great dad.
Thank you. We're gonna continue to know me.
All right, place your bets, place your bets. What's the hospital bill gonna be?
I'm gonna do this as soon
a whopping 200,000.
You're supposed to say 0.
Oh, 0.
They'll
Oh,
cut the roof
0.
out and then helicopter him.
Oh! We need more speed.
Wait, put the guy on that side.
You said we need more speed? No, you think?
No! No! Are you kidding? Aaron, remember what I said about Dumb and Dumber. You got it. Best trick of 2023.
Wait! I don't know why I was going that way.
I remember what you said about Dumb and Dumber. Thank you.
You gotta lean hella far forward.
I do. I gotta go.
Is it extra? I don't know if you gotta go that far.
Dude, it's actually
Explosion. Forget what we were thinking when we ordered this. This is the best video we've ever made.
I told you. I knew this was gonna be good. I knew we could do lots of tricks on this.
JD, how much you think this was?
20 bucks?
It's 150. It's a complete skateboard with a handle. What do you mean? Of course it was 150.
Betting me right now, 150?
What?
No, that's how much the board costs.
Okay, right here.
No. No. He didn't even try.
Hey, Uzi, you gotta whip him out more.
Every time he doesn't land, we can just blame it on Uzi.
I mean, technically, yeah.
Why did that work?
Because it's the Ookie. It's good. Will this be the end of Mowgli Manuel Herrera? Leave it in the comments below.
You gotta go faster. You got it though, for sure. Send it! No! No!
Board slide. Let's go. Board slide. Right there, we're back. Go to fakie.
Oh!
It's still on there.
Still going!
Run. The world's greatest trick has just been accomplished. Now Uzi Dan will do freestyle tricks.
Oh!
That was it. That's the ender. Yeah.
Oh my, no.
What?
Yeah, you don't got the magic touch.
Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego?
See what I mean?
Yeah.
Do it again without. Okay.
No way.
You just gotta bend the hell out of your knees, dude. Alright, tell me when you're in jump. 1, 2, 3.
No.
We can do that!
No.
We can do that! 1, 2, 3. Oh! 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! That was amazing.
We probably just broke minds right now.
Never seen Gabe so excited in my whole
Well, I gotta
existence.
edit it, but like it's not slow right there.
That was sick!
Is that good?
That's crazy.
That's probably ender, right?
Yeah. That's the ender. That's the ender.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have an absolute blast testing these products. You can leave it in the comments below what we should text next. What we should text next. We make these videos so you, yes you, can get inspired to learn how to ride a skateboard. If you got a really little one, check this out. We'll see you in the next video.